Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a brand new Camtasia tutorial on creating a text effect with your videos. So here are some videos, or a video of some leaves falling. Check this timeline. Shrink this down a bit. It's just video of leaves, just leaves falling. I'm going to create a cool text effect here. So let's go to annotations. Take this, drop it on the timeline, make it the full length of the project. I'm going to call this leaves. I'll make this a thick font. It worked the best for this. So we'll use impact. Scale this up. Using the scale only goes up to 256, but you can override it by typing in 500. That will give you the largest font you can get. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to go to Visual Effects, Media Matte, drag the timeline. Now you can leave this on Alpha for Media Matte, Alpha, or luminosity. Both will work the same. So right now it's going to create just an outline with the video playing behind it, but we're going to spruce it up right here. Let's go to animations. And we're going to go to scale up, drag this at timeline, and we're going to have to animate this. So we'll leave it static until about here, and then we'll pull this out about there. We'll go to Media Matte and drag the intensity all the way down to 0. So you play it back with something like this. So it comes towards you and just disappears and reveals the video in behind. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Jeremy Charles Prale. You can be here too, link below.